Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to my class. Students, yesterday we finished the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. We did all its explanation, we did its literary devices, we discussed its question answers, and we also did the line wise, stanza wise explanation of the poem. We have discussed about its author, about its introduction. Then I explained the poem in detail about its literary devices, and the question answers also we discussed. So students, I'm sure you are having no doubts about the poem now, and you can answer any question related to the poem. So students, as we have done 3 chapters of your English textbook First Flight, and we have done the 3 poems also, we have done the writing work also, we have done the letter writing. Now it's time for your English supplementary book, which is your second English book, Footprints Without Feet, and it's time to do its first chapter. By seeing from the following pictures which I am showing to you, you must have an idea of the name of the chapter. Yes students, you are absolutely right. We will do the first part or the first chapter of your English supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet, and the name of the first chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. Triumph means victory, जीत, ट्रायम्फ जीत का उन्माद, जीत की खुशी, ऑफ सर्जरी जो है सर्जरी की जो खुशी हुई है, सर्जरी में जो उन्हें विजय हासिल हुई, उसके बाद जो उन्माद है, जीत की खुशी, सर्जरी की जीत की खुशी, उसके ऊपर ये चैप्टर है. बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द चैप्टर, बिफोर वी गो व्हाट्स in the chapter, I would like to tell you about its author, a brief introduction about the author. The author of this chapter is James Alfred White Harriot. James Alfred White Harriot was an English veterinary surgeon and writer. He was born on 3rd October 1916 in Sunderland, England. James Harriot was his pen name. Being a noted veterinary surgeon, he utilized his vast experience in writing stories about animals. He wrote a series of books of stories about animals and their masters. James Alfred White, pen name James Harriot, died on 23rd February 1995 at the age of 78. So students, this was the brief introduction about the author James Harriot, James Alfred White Harriot. So now I will tell you about the brief introduction of the chapter. Student, the story or this chapter starts when Mrs. Humphrey, a rich lady, takes a dog out for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog, and he is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a bloated sausage with a leg at each end. He advised her to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Humphrey is not able to refuse him. Mr. Harriot then somehow takes Tricky, the dog, to the hospital, even though he knows that Mrs. Humphrey is not ready to leave her dog, and nearly fainted just by hearing these words. The dog does not move much nor eats anything for the first 2-3 days in the hospital. On the second day, he looks around and whimpers a bit. He wanted to go out on the third day and started playing with the bigger dogs. When he was taken out, he also licked the bowls of other dogs clean on the third day. He started fighting for his meals with other dogs. Then when this news reached Mrs. Humphrey, she started sending him eggs as she thought that Tricky was recovering from an illness and needed energy foods. Mr. Harriot and his partner started eating those eggs for morning breakfast. Then for improving Tricky's blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine, which was again consumed by Mr. Harriet. He used to take 2 glasses before lunch. Then, when she started sending in bottles of brandy, that was the time when Mr. Harriet thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. Mr. Harriet used to be really happy someday by having 2 extra eggs every morning, then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon, but and closing the day by having brandy at night. But then he took a wise decision and called up Mrs. Humphrey, as she was really worried, and on this side Tricky was ready to be taken back home. Tricky was really happy to see his mistress and jumped into the car. Mrs. Humphrey said that she won't be able to ever thank him for what he had done, and also that his surgery had been successful, as Tricky was now cured. So this was the brief introduction, or you can say brief summary, but it was a brief introduction to all about the chapter, what this chapter is all about. So I hope you must have an idea so far what this chapter is all about. So in this clip, this was it, and in the next audio clip we will start the explanation of the chapter line by line. Thank you.